In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create discount email with Kit. The goal of this walkthrough is simple. You will go into your Kit dashboard, open your product settings, and then create a discount code that you can use to offer customers a special price. As we go, keep an eye on the menus and buttons on the screen, because the wording may look slightly different depending on your layout, but the path will be the same. First, navigate to the Earn section and click Products. On your screen, you should see a navigation area that includes an Earn area. When you open Earn, look for a tab or link labeled Products. Clicking Products is important because discounts are connected to individual products, not just to your account in general. Take a moment to confirm you are now viewing the product area, where you can select the item you want to discount. Next, click your product. After you open the Products page, you will see a list of products you have set up. Click the specific product that you want to create a discount for. This step matters because each product has its own settings. If you choose the wrong product, the discount code will not apply to the item you intended. Once you have selected your product, click Settings. You will usually find Settings near the top of the product page or within a menu related to that product. Clicking Settings will bring you to the area where you can manage options for this product, including promotional features like discount codes. When you click Settings, wait for the Settings panel or page to load fully so that you do not miss any sections. Now that you are in Settings, go to the Discount section. Look for a tab or a section heading labeled Discounts. This is where the system will let you create and manage discount codes, including any rules for the code and the value it provides. Take a moment to scan the discounts area so you can see whether you already have existing codes and to locate the option to add a new one. In the Discounts section, click the button that says Add a Discount Code. The plus sign next to it, or the text itself, indicates you are ready to create a new code. Clicking this will open a form or a pop-up where you can configure the discount details. If there are existing discount codes, this step ensures that you create a new one rather than editing something else that might already be in use. After you open the discount code form, configure your code and value. You will need to set the code text, which is what customers will enter. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, and make sure it matches whatever you plan to communicate in your discount email. Next, set the value, which is the actual benefit the customer receives. This could be a percentage off or a fixed amount off, depending on what the interface allows. As you fill these fields in, double-check each entry to ensure it matches your intended promotion. When you have configured the code and value, save your discount. Look for a Save button, which may be at the bottom of the form or within the pop-up. Clicking Save confirms the discount code and stores it so it is available for use going forward. This step is essential, because if you do not save, the discount will not be applied to the product and customers will not receive the correct discount. After saving, you can review the discount section to confirm your new code appears in the list. This quick check helps you verify that everything was entered correctly and that the discount is now active in your product settings. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.